Hope doesn't live in buildings or machines. It lives in people. And every patient who refuses to give up, and every provider who shows up with compassion and skill, and every family, every friend, every neighbor who walks beside them. And now, right here in our community, at the Lakewood Cancer Center, hope has found a new home.
Lakewood Cancer Center has been in the works for years. We couldn't be prouder and more excited to bring this to our community. Really, the roots of it are how do we bring that care close to home, making sure that our patient's location doesn't dictate their outcomes. The care you receive at Lakewood is personal. The technology is advanced, but the care is personal. Your doctor knows you, they know your primary care provider, they know your family. It's just familiar faces. At Lakewood, it's always been about family, taking care of family, and providing personalized care for a lifetime.
So with a cancer diagnosis, one that I was not sure I would ever be faced with, and having been through that, it's world-class care, and it's right here, and it's close to home, and it's for this community, and not just the community, but it's for others that are going through something so similar. Care that you receive here is world-class. There's no place like home, and this is home.
In the United States and in Minnesota and the upper Midwest, there's really not oncologists in rural America. We see that about 80% of counties have no access to oncology. So patients are traveling long distances, they're getting later diagnoses, they're diagnosed at later stage of disease, and this results in worse outcomes. And so what's happening here at the Lakewood Cancer Center is we're at the forefront of cancer care and what needs to happen in rural America. I feel like all the pieces are in place under one roof to really make a difference in our region.
So our role at Lakewood is to really walk through the journey, and that journey is a cancer diagnosis typically, with our patients and their families from the very beginning and moving forward. Here at Lakewood, we have an excellent team that I'm incredibly excited to work with, of really tremendous physicians, tremendous nursing staff, tremendous support staff, and our navigators and our social workers and everything in between. We have a special connection here with this team, and we really all jive together. Every single one of us is incredibly passionate about taking care of patients and their families along this journey, and more than willing to jump out and do whatever they can to make this more comfortable.
So in the past, here in Lakewood, the providers have been able to give chemotherapy, which is a component of some of the cancer diagnoses. However, radiation is an integral part in their treatment course. Oftentimes in a rural setting, patients have had to drive several hours to receive their treatment for several weeks. By providing that service line to these patients, we can now treat the patients here. They're closer to home, they're with their loved ones. In fact, they probably will have better outcomes because they are here at home to receive comprehensive care. Hope has a new home.
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 Hope definitely has a new home, and it's right here at Lakewood Health System.
1, 2, 3. Hey, it's official!